There we go. Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm just gonna demonstrate you on the cloud that I made with Nextcloud and just show you around the whole interface and the features part of it. So here's my Raspberry Pi connected, and here's the on-off switch. It is currently on at the moment, and these are my peripherals, a wireless mouse and a wired keyboard, and there's an HDMI connected to my monitor, aka my big ass screen TV. And as you can see, I don't have the best setup in the world. It's just connected in my room. I don't have a professional desk, and yeah, I'm just over here in my bedroom with the keyboard. I usually just do this, and it's it's able to move. Sometimes I just use the mouse like this, and it works fine. As long as it works, it works. And right now I'm just gonna test it out on the Raspberry Pi server as well as on my laptop. So in here I am testing out the local host URL just to see if it works, and usually of course it will work since the IP address is connected with within the Raspberry Pi, meaning that it will bypass anything, though it doesn't work with the mobile app or the laptop since it is an external device. In this case, the laptop is connected to the IP address set. I probably will just cover it up so you guys won't see it, but first let's see what's happening in the Raspberry Pi. So let me just sit down real quick. So personally, the Raspberry Pi one, it's pretty slow just because it's a Raspberry Pi. I only have 16 gigs, but it's still manageable. So there's some example files that I've put here, and yeah, I to view pictures, and this is the example they put up. You click next. That's just a picture I put for all my gamers. And see, you can read PDFs in here. So yeah, same old like Google Drive or Dropbox. You should be able to read documents that you store here. Let's see what else. There is also an activity feed that shows you what's the the activity, obviously, what is changed or what the users have done. For instance, today I stored documents and PowerPoint slides in here, as well as some of the screenshots for the project. So that's all good. So yeah, in the settings you could edit everything. Hope you guys like my profile picture. And yeah, there's my username for the admin, Ulap, cloud in Tagalog. So yeah, and you could input your phone number and address in there for more verification. For instance, I put the email so in case I need password resets or anything. And it shows my memory storage. Now for some reason, when I go to users, they give an option for users to have unlimited storage. To be honest, I don't know why, but I'll take it. And yeah, see, I did create a user for my brother to access. He is not an admin, so my admin account's the only one that could change his permissions. For instance, I'm so generous, I gave him 1 gigabyte of storage. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. It works pretty easy, pretty easy. There's security. You are able to change your password, check on whose devices they're in. For instance, I have 2 devices, this session with the Raspberry Pi and my laptop within the Google Chrome browser. And you're able to access a 2-factor authentication. Just generate the code and you should be able to get it. I'll probably test out in the classroom if it does work. And it shows the activity, audio player, yeah, the desktop, mobile, accessibility, sharing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's move on to the laptop version. So we are in the laptop version. In my MacBook, I am connected to the IP address version instead of the local host, and overall the navigation is pretty similar to an external device. So for an example, let's try to insert a clip into my drive, and let's see if it's able to work. And it looks like it is uploading it. Just take a few seconds and it should be processed. And there we go. It is labeled as a Fortnite fail. And yeah, it is an MP4, so it's a video format, and let's see if it works.
Oh my god. Wait, what?
Yeah, that was embarrassing. But yeah, overall the video file does work, and it should be able to access from the cloud. Alright, so lastly we are going to test out the Nextcloud's mobile application from the iOS store. I am using this from my iPhone, but it should be similar to the Android version as well. I am in my brother's account to see if there's anything different. Usually the permissions are limited since he's not admin, so let's just go ahead and store a picture. And we're just gonna click upload photos and we'll just pick a photo. Let's see what picture. I have a lot of memes there. And let's just pick this picture of my boy Kenneth Buckos just because I miss him. And we're just gonna hit save. And there we go. And hope you like that pic. Alright, and that'll be all for the demonstration on the whole capabilities and features within the Nextcloud suite. And President Brandon should be able to wrap things up and maybe provide more in-depth look on Nextcloud in class. And if not, I hope you enjoyed and enjoy the rest of the show. In the meantime, I'll be busy doing some important things, so I'll catch you guys later.